What's up my guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Nandan. I'm an Industrial Engineering and Economics junior at UW-Madison, and today we're going to talk about 5 reasons you need to go to UW-Madison. Reason number 1, and it's the most obvious one, which is it is so well ranked, and literally every year UW-Madison just keeps growing in rankings, so that is like your number 1 reason to just go there. It's if you get in. I'm praying for you. From what I know, UW-Madison is ranked like 12th or 13th in engineering overall, and my department, which is the Industrial Engineering department, is ranked like 12th best on it. And as far as I know, most international students either major in engineering or in computer science. This is in no way, shape or form a bias, it's just the people that I've spoken to do the same. As for engineering or computer sciences, the ranking for UW-Madison is pretty similar, being around like the 12th or the 13th best public university in the United States. The second reason to go to UW-Madison are the lakes, the views, and the sunsets. Like, you will not believe the number of times like I've just had an entirely crappy week, and I go see one sunset at Lake Monona, and it's like, just wow. Like, it's... Now, aside from needing time to yourself, the thing about college life is that you have to have a good balance of studying and partying, or just doing anything other than studying. And UW-Madison is by far the best university for that kind of stuff, and let me explain. So when you Google UW-Madison, the first thing you might see is like 5th best party school in the US or something like that. Or if you came across the Barstool account, good luck. But UW-Madison, in all honesty, is like a work hard, play hard environment. So Mondays through Thursdays, you're usually going to be studying your ass off. And maybe, depending on how much you like to party and where and what modes of partying you like, you'll usually just be relaxing Thursdays, Fridays and Saturdays. And if you're not a huge party fan, that's fine. You always have Lakeshore. Most of this channel is just shitting on Lakeshore. Lakeshore. Crenshaw. Fourth reason to go to UW-Madison is that you find all sorts of people here. Let me just tell you what I mean. As a student, moving to a new place, especially from somewhere you've stayed for like 18 years, might be really, really hard. So in terms of finding people that you want to interact with, even if you're like an introverted person, in those terms, UW-Madison is a very inclusive place. Now, I'm not going to lie, it's not like it's not racist at all, but there is microaggression in some cases. Like, I haven't experienced a lot myself. Maybe like 2 instances of microaggression, but this is not like full-blown, Jesus, you're brown, get out. So it's not that kind of stuff. But yeah. So you will very easily make friends here, regardless of whether you're introverted, extroverted, or just plain weird like me. The 5th reason to go to UW-Madison is because it's a small town. Madison gives you both the city vibe and like the small town, villagey kind of vibe all in one. Because campus is like a very crowded place with like all sorts of people, as I mentioned earlier. But if you want to just spend some time on your own, you could go visit a lake. You could drive down, even as an international student, through using Zipcar. There's a referral code down in case you just, want to use it. I get a little kickback because obviously that's how referral codes work. Now, this might sound counterintuitive, so just bear with me. Most international students come from very, very populated places. For example, I'm from Mumbai, India, which is in itself
massive.
Other people are from China, other people are from Pakistan, from Bangladesh. All of these places are way more crowded than the US itself, so a small town might just be your thing. And the 6th bonus point is that because it's a small town, everything is just 15 minutes away. At least most of the places that you want to get to. So if you want to go from class to class and you don't want to take a bus, you could just walk down. Even in the snow, it's pretty doable, not gonna lie. To some people though, the winters can be a little harsh, but that's topic for another video, so keep your eyes out on that and subscribe to be notified about the same. So that, my friends, was 5 reasons to go to UW-Madison. I hope you enjoyed this, and if you did, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more stuff like this, and hit the notification bell, because it is my obligation to say this, otherwise you will click away. 50% of you have already clicked away, so if you stayed, thanks, love you, subscribe, bye.